Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. Today's video is on deep cleaning of fridge. You might have already seen my video on fridge organization. If you have not yet seen it, I will leave you the link in the description box. If you are not subscribed to House to Home, please subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any video from our channel. So now let's get started.
The first step is to switch off the power supply. The right time to clean our fridge is when your fridge is almost empty or you're before the next visit to the market. Now remove all the foodstuffs from the fridge. Empty all trays of the fridge as well as the refrigerator. Remove all containers, covers, vegetables and all the foodstuffs which you have in the fridge. Now the fridge is empty. It's time to remove the trays. Remove vegetable trays, sliding trays, the trays which are in the door side, almost everything. I'm transferring all trays to the washing sink so as to clean it. Now it's time for a simple DIY. Take water in a vessel and heat it. Bring it to a boil. Add 1/4 of vinegar to the water. Squeeze some lemon juice to the water. Lemon juice will help in removing the bad odor from the fridge. Add few drops of dishwash liquid. Mix all together. Now with the help of a kitchen scrub, gently apply the cleaning solution to your fridge. Work out in every nooks and corners of the fridge. Scrub gently where it is more stained. Vinegar will help in removing the stains and lemon will help in removing the bad odor from the fridge. Apply this all over the inner side of the fridge and let it soak for few seconds. Scrub out the stains well. Meanwhile, use the same cleaning solution to clean the trays. I am going to wash with the same solution. Gently scrub the trays and rinse with water. And yes, don't forget the other mini trays also, especially the ice trays or the egg trays and all other accessories that come out with the fridge. Strain the water. Also, don't forget if you have an onion tray. I'm working out the onion tray with dishwash liquid because it has a lot of stain in it, and rinsing it thoroughly with water. Now let dry all the trays under the sun. This will help in removing the bad odors. And the drying process will be quick. Now clean the fridge with some wet cloth, then with a dry cloth or any kitchen towel. Wipe the tray with some tissue paper before organizing it to the fridge. This will help in removing the water stains from the tray. Also, don't forget to clean the rubber lining the side of the fridge. Now let's remove the top cover of the fridge and clean the outer surface with the help of cotton. You may also use the same cleaning solution, but I don't think my fridge was that dirty, so I worked out with spraying cotton. Clean the top side surface also, the side surface. I'm working out with the top surface. Also, put back all the trays into place. Hope these trays are looking clean now. Put back the egg trays into position and all the door side trays also. Handle with care. Wow, it looks neat, right? Now, before organizing the foodstuffs, please check the expiry dates and put it back to the designated trays. We have a designated video on fridge organization, for which, as I mentioned earlier, I will leave the link in the description box, or you can click the I button to open the video. Haha, I am done. That was the effective cleaning, right?
Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, then please don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up. Meet you in the next episode. Thank you. Meet you in the next episode. Thank you.